Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you a tutorial on how to install two-way alarm on YAMAHA Aerox 155. First, you need this materials. Two-way alarm system. I bought this at Shopee for only 670 pesos. Wires. Tester. In order to get access to the wirings inside, you need to remove the covers. After removing the front cover, look for the ignition switch socket. Using a tester, find the wire that has the constant positive 12 volts. In this case, the red wire has the constant positive 12 volts. After which, look for the accessory wire. In this case, brown wire is the accessory wire. This wire will only have a power supply once the ignition switch is on. Find a best part where your alarm module can rest. Insert the wire socket of your alarm module. Separate these three wires. Black, red, and orange. Connect the black wire to the ground. Then, insert the red wire to red wire of the ignition switch socket. In this case, I only inserted these wires to the socket directly. Some installers prefer to use soldering irons or even make a splice on wires, which I think it's better than this. It's only up to the installer where they feel comfortable. Then, insert the orange wire to the accessory wire, which is the brown wire. After that, insert back the male socket to the female socket of the ignition switch. Next, look for the signal light wires using a tester. These two wires, green and brown, are the signal light wires. Tap the two yellow wires from the alarm module to these wires separately. After connecting the two yellow wires to the signal light wires, insert it back to its socket. Next, connect the starter wire, which is the blue wire from the alarm module, to this wire, blue wire with black lining, or on the other side, blue wire with white lining. This time, on the rightmost part of your Aerox, find the side stand switch socket. This will be used as the engine kill switch or the anti-theft scheme. Follow this diagram. Look for another wire that has a male pin, then remove and replace the male pin and insert it back to the socket. Extend this wire so it can reach up to the part near the alarm module.
Nag nga. Hmm. Nga. Hmm? Nga.
Next, use a changeover relay or SPDT relay. This pin is 30. This is also 87. This middle part is 87. Then this is 86. Then this is also 85. Please take note of these numbers. Again, This red wire is 30. This blue wire is 87A. This yellow wire is 86, then the other is 85. Connect the extended white wire to 30, which is the red wire. Then this blue wire, which is the 87A, will be connected to the extended black wire. Next, connect 85, which is the yellow wire, to either gray wire or pink wire from the alarm module. It's up to you, where do you prefer? In this case, I prefer to use the gray wire. Next, connect 86 to constant positive 12 volts or the red wire from the alarm module. Cut the pink wire from the alarm module, for this wire will not be used anymore. Install the alarm buzzer. Insert the buzzer socket. Test if it's working. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.